Rosemary oil for a faster hair growth. Is it hard to make a rosemary oil at your home? No. For an easy method, watch our full video right now.
Rosemary essential oil, commonly used for hair growth due to its potential to stimulate the hair follicle and improve the scalp health, potentially leading to stronger and a thicker hair. Studies suggest that rosemary oil may be effective as certain hair growth medications like minoxidil. So today, we will be making a hair oil using rosemary and few Ayurvedic ingredients to promote a faster hair growth. As a carrier oil, we use 250 ml of pure coconut oil. Then we add 5 to 6 pieces of rosemary leaves. And we add 2 teaspoonsful of thymes. Thyme's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can also make it useful for addressing scalp issues like dandruff and inflammation. And we add 5 to 6 pieces of ginger. Ginger can improve the scalp circulation and potentially stimulate hair follicles. With a very mild heat, heat the oil about 15 minutes. Strain it and store it in a glass bottle. This hair oil has a lovely aromatic smell. Will help to calm down your stress levels and will relieve the headaches too. Use our hair oil 2 times per week. Without using any preservatives, you can keep this hair oil for 2 years. I think this video will definitely help for you. And don't waste your time and money buying so much expensive products from outside. Just make this hair oil at your home and get the benefit of it. Good luck. Thank you for watching.